Hey Keith, pretty standard day out there. There was a little bit of sun, then it got gloomy. But
fine.
looking at some snow?
Yeah, a little bit. My yard is looking pathetic. Like, not a commentary just on my lawn itself, but it's just like little tiny pieces of snow left.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's a tough look.
I know.
It's
And for me, the sides of the driveway, it's all brown.
Yeah,
oh,
yeah,
yeah, it's just terrible.
it's not a good
Gotta
look.
freshen it up.
A lot of sand in there. We are going to get a little light snow tomorrow night into Friday. We'll talk about that in a second. Yeah, today was just kind of an average day. Temperatures mid-30s, which was significantly warmer than the last couple of days, which was below average, even though it was nice and bright. Most of us had a sunny day today, but we did have some cloud cover collapse on the southern coastline. That kind of changed the day down towards Portland, up down to about Kittery and Portsmouth as well. But most of us squeaking out the last of the sunshine before the sun sets. Now you can see this model's too heavy with the cloud cover, which probably means it's going to be a little bit too warm with temperatures too. Either way, it will not be nearly as cold as the last couple of nights, dropping down into the 20s broadly, right around 30, I think, along the coastline. It's not going to get all that cold tonight. That gets us in a good spot for tomorrow. We push into the upper 30s by tomorrow afternoon. Mixture of sun and clouds, more clouds in the morning, more sun in the afternoon, and then our system moves in tomorrow night. Now, at first, it's just cold enough for snow everywhere. This is 1 in the morning, and you can see some light snow, and probably all the way to the coast around 3, 4 in the morning. But that's a really short-lived thing, and we were able to change over to rain along the coast kind of during the morning commute or before that. Even inland, notice there's snow being depicted here, but it's 35. Good luck with that. It's kind of hard to accumulate snow when it's 35 degrees. So I think it really retreats into the foothills and the mountains through the day. And that rain-snow line gets stuck there. So it stays snow into the mountains and northern Maine, rain along the coast and inland through Friday afternoon, then the system moves out. So this squiggly green line indicates where you will eventually change over to rain at some point during this system. And outside of that, to the northwest of that, it will stay all snow, 1 to 3 inches there, 3 to 6, just a bit of a bullseye there. An inch or less of snow along the coast over to rain very quickly. Quiet over the weekend, chilly on Saturday, back to more seasonable temperatures on Sunday. Monday and Tuesday in the mid-40s, and then look at this, the warm front is way up here by Thursday, which means it's going to be quite mild. 50s, some 60s possible on Thursday midday before the rain moves in and things cool back down. So that's how we're going to end February appropriately, right? Really, really mild. This is straight computer model data, and even it has some 50s by Wednesday. So, yeah, whatever we get on, I guess my point here is, whatever we get on Friday will be there for the weekend, and that's it, because it starts to get warmer and showery. It doesn't look like it's a ton of rain with that system on Wednesday, Thursday, which is good, but if we do get to the 60s, that's a real snow vaporizer for anything that is left, and a spring tease for others. I mean, we'll be knocking on March's door at that point, so it'll be fake spring number 1 of usually 3 to 4 that we have. So.
Yeah. Regardless, your yard will still not look so great.
Yeah, it doesn't look good in the summer, so it's all relative.
Thanks, Keith.